news for small dogs. Today we're going to learn how to make a dog collar for the tiny dogs. The brand new Beta Adjustable for small breeds and cats is the perfect healthy material for tiny pets. We will be making a 3/8 inch wide adjustable pet collar using the new Beta Adjustable for small breeds. Start by getting your list of tools and hardware together on a solid workbench or table. The tools needed include a rivet setting tool, a 2.8mm hole punch, a hammer or mallet, a plastic cutting block, scissors, and a ruler. Your hardware list includes a side release buckle, 1/4 inch capped rivets, a TriGlide adjuster, a plastic loop, a D-ring, and 13 inches of Biothane. We've listed similar tools and hardware in the links below in the description. Step 1. Measure and cut 13 inches of Biothane. Step 2. Measure and mark your holes to be punched. This collar only needs 2 rivets, but the holes must be pre-punched. Here is a drawing showing the distances between the holes and the ends. Step 3. Punch the holes. Use the plastic block under the Biothane as a soft anvil to keep your punches sharp. Set aside 1 punched piece as a template. You can use this if you're going to make multiple collars. Step 4. Attach the TriGlide with 1 rivet. Weave the loop end of the Biothane with the 2 holes around the center bar of the TriGlide. Pre-stage the rivet by snapping the capped rivet together. Position the rivet on the center of the rivet anvil. Make sure your rivet tool is positioned straight up and down. Strike the rivet tool with your hammer firmly. Your rivet should look like this. If you plan to make large amounts of small breed adjustables, consider using the Handyman Press, the all-in-one bench tool that can cut, punch, and rivet. Step 5. Complete the assembly and rivet it together. Slide the plastic loop and then the male end of the side release buckle. After that, insert the free end back through the loop and the TriGlide. This step requires dexterity. Make sure the edge beads always face out. Finally, bundle the D-ring in the female end of the buckle and prepare to rivet like step 4. Insert the rivet through all 3 holes and pre-snap the cap. Line it up on the rivet anvil. Strike the rivet tool. And you have made a small breed adjustable pet collar. Small breed dogs and cats are everywhere, and now they too can wear a cleanable, healthy Biothane pet collar. We hope this video was helpful to you. Please share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching!